So hello guys, this is RN Gupta and I am from the chemistry department of IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 20CY20008 and before you this is an object that I made in a computer designing software called FreeCAD.18. It is an open source software and can be used by designers to create various kinds of 3D objects. Before you I have made one. This is a twisted vase that I made, and to be precise it's just a triangle which is curved and lifted in the third axis to get such a shape as shown. And basically it's every cross section you can see. The cross section of this figure is a triangle, and it was created using the loft feature, which is in the part design tab over here. The loft feature was used to create this object, and the thickness to this object, to give thickness to this object, the thickness feature was used, since there is no practical use of paper thin objects. So this thickness feature over here was imparted to this object to give it some thickness, some sturdiness, and here it is, a twisted vase. The second object being a pen stand that I made over here, and it uses the same principle. A circular base was made and padding was done. You can see a strong pad over here, a pad over here. This pad was made using this padding feature over here, this padding feature, and the basic circle over here, this circle over here was lifted in the third axis to get this cylinder over here. And then a cube was made. The cube, to create other extra objects, you can use the part tab over here. The part tab has various such features, so we created a cube over here, and there is chamfer and fillet feature to create various designs on the cube, and the dimensions of the cube can be changed. Using this, the properties of the cube can be changed, and using the fillet chamfer and these changing these properties, we can obtain a desired cube or cuboid if we want. And over here what we did was insert this cube in this cylinder over here, and then we subtracted it, performed Boolean subtraction of this cube from this complete big cylinder to obtain this structure as shown. Of course, first the cube, the shape which we used was multiplied using the array feature into various rows, and then was subtracted from the bigger cylinder to obtain the pen stand. And lastly, I would like to show you this goblet over here, which was created using the revolve option. So this goblet, I would like to show you the basic sketch being this. This was the basic sketch for this object, using these lines as the basic central lines for rotation, and this curvilinear line which is visible over here, this was made using the B-spline option, and the curvature can be adjusted using these blue dots, the blue circled red dots, it can be used. And then this revolve option, revolve a selected sketch, the sketch was selected and then revolved around the central axis to obtain this figure, and again the thickness feature was used to obtain this thickness over here as shown. And the padding was done using the padding feature. You can see the pad over here. The pad was made by just basically constructing a circle over here, and then again using the padding option. The padding option was used. The padding option was used and dimensions can be set. And then the fillet option was used. The fillet option, as I previously mentioned in the part feature, this fillet option where you can select the edges or part of the object to create this fillet, this curvilinear edges of this completely rectangular sort of a base to obtain this final object as over here. So thank you all.